Welcome. In front of me is a DOOGEE V40 Pro, and today I will show you how you can format your SD card on this device. So, to get started, we will want to open our settings application, and in here navigate to storage. And in the top of the list right here, you will find this device. Now this is a drop-down menu, so we can click on it and you will find another option here, Android for me. Now in your case, it might say something else like Samsung SD card or some other whatever random name. Just know that whatever else is listed in this drop-down menu besides this device will be your SD card. This device obviously refers to the phone storage, while anything else is the SD card. Now when you click on it, it will show you the capacity of that card, how much data on it is taken, and from here you can obviously back it up if you have any kind of data, but if you don't care, you can then click on the three dots right here, select format. This will give you this pop-up right here. We're going to select format. Brings up a window letting you know that the card needs to be formatted as a first paragraph. No, it doesn't. I can use it without that, so thank you very much. But the second one is the one important. So formatting will erase existing content on the SD card. To avoid losing content, back it up to another SD card or device. So obviously do so if you want to. If you don't, you can select format, and this will begin resetting the card, which only takes a couple of seconds and should be right about done. Oh, there we go, perfect. So click on done, and that's it. Now, when you get taken to this page again, automatically, it will show you 00, well, it's showing the SD card. Don't worry, if we do just this and back to this, you can see it's being detected again. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.